Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. This video is all about fixing the issue with Apex Legends. After launching the game, just after the animation screen, the game just crashed and you are not able to play the game even on the Steam. So without wasting time, let's go ahead and directly proceed with the resolution. First of all, in the basic step, I recommend if you have installed this particular program, auto hotkey or any other scripting key. Nextly, DS4 Windows, and thirdly is IQ software that is used for RGB lighting control. Make sure you completely disable or uninstall these three programs from the system and then try to launch the game. If this failed to work out, again in next basic step, I recommend while launching the game, do not use Steam. Go ahead and change or play the game using the EA Play app instead of Steam. And to migrate the Apex Legends from Steam to EA Play app, you do not need to re-download it. Simply, I have a tutorial for you, a detailed guide on how you can switch from Steam to EA Play without any kind of downloading the game. Simply watch this tutorial and launch the game onto the EA Play, and I assure you that you will not be getting any kind of freezing or crashing issues after playing the Apex Legends onto the EA Play app. Now if somehow these two simple fixes doesn't help you resolve the issue, let's proceed with the third step. In third step, head over to this PC, C drive, here open a folder with the name program files x86. Now press the E key to find a folder with the name easy anti-cheat. Open it and here you will find easy anti-cheat application. Right click on it and choose the option run as administrator. Now from a drop down list, choose the game. At your end, you may find more than one, but at my end, I have only the single game available with the name game 217. Select it and choose the option repair. It is showing that it is installed successfully. So in the drop down list, if you find more than one game, make sure you select each game one by one and then click on the option repair service. Once you repair easy anti-cheat, close it. Now you need to go to the game directory. At my end, simply right click on the game, choose the option manage and click on browse local files to open that game directory. Right over here in the game directory, you need to open a folder with the name packs. Open it, open Win64 and here you need to delete two files one by one. First one is UI. UI is 01.rpak and second one is UI.dll. Select both the files, right click and choose the option delete. After deleting both the files, minimize it, right click on your game, choose the option manage, click on the option install files and click on the option verify integrity of the game files. This will go ahead and re-download those two files that we have deleted and in turn fix out the issue of Apex Legends crashing after the startup right after the animation onto the Steam. So if this method also failed to work out, let's proceed with the last step. Last step is simply for the ASUS motherboard users. You need to enter into the BIOS menu and right in BIOS menu under the Extreme Tweaker you will find the option of ASUS multicore enhancement. From the drop down list you need to choose the option disable and force all limits. Make sure to disable ASUS multicore enhancement by choosing the option disabled and force all limits. After doing so, save the changes into your BIOS and then restart your PC and relaunch the game, and this will completely fix out the issue of Apex Legends crashing after startup animation onto the Steam. So as of now, this is all about it friends. If this video works out for you, I request you to please click on the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon to continue receiving updates from my channel. Thank you so much friends. Thank you for watching.